Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a secret code, so the fastest way, and after that I'll show you another way through the settings. So let's open the dialer and enter a short code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and as you can see, the serial number is listed right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.